Hello student, welcome to the robotics session. Today we are going to learn the difference between machine and robots. What is machine? A machine is a something which is created by the people to make our work easier. That is fan, treadmill, clock, tube light, bicycle. These are machines. These are very common. And why they are only machines? Because they are doing one work continuously. They are doing the same work again and again. Take the example of fan. It is doing the work of going round and round again and again, but it cannot think, it cannot sense. Same like with other machines. So, they are not able to think and sense. They do only one work repeatedly. Now let's see what are robots. A robot is also a machine which does one or more tasks. That is, it is able to do the multiple work. They are able to sense, they are able to think, and they are able to understand. Here are some basic example of robots. First is drone. You might have seen the drone. It flies in the sky. Why it is a robot? Because it can click pictures, it can be used in agriculture, it can also use for delivering the food, and it can do the multiple tasks by sensing. Second is humanoid robot. There are multiple humanoid robots. One common one is Asimo. You must have seen the videos of Asimo where he is jumping, serving the people, walking and doing many other tasks like humans. This Asimo is made by the Honda company. Next one is self-driving car. This is the automatic car. Here there is no driver to drive the car. But don't worry, there is no worries of accident here because the robot, the sensing controllers are there for your safety. Next one is 3D printer. How 3D printer can be a robot? 3D printer senses the part which it is printing. Suppose you have given one design and it is about to finish. It will sense and stop the machine automatically once the task is finished. Or you want to do the same task again and again like one or more time with different command or different project, it will do it. Means you can print a multiple project at one time. Next is industrial robot. Industrial robot are something which is used in companies. They are used in companies for packaging, for helping the laborers, for mixing or any other work. Suppose there are very heavy materials to lift here and there, they can use the robots or robotic arm to lift the material. It can do the work without getting tired. It can do the multiple work at multiple times with a greater speed. Now, what is the difference between machine and robot? As we understood, machine, they are doing the one task repeatedly without sensing and understanding, whereas robots are also doing the task, multiple tasks, but with sensing and understanding. It cannot think. Machine cannot think and cannot take their own decision, but robot can take their own decision. Robot can sense, process and move. Processing means thinking. When we give them command, command means order. When we give them order, they think about it, they process it, and then do their work accordingly. So, that is the robot which can sense, process, and move or act accordingly.